Please follow each step in order to change your proxy settings on Google Chrome. Open Windows Explorer. Type in Internet Properties. Click on the Connections tab. Navigate to LAN Settings. Check the first checkbox under Proxy Server. Click Advanced. Fill in your proxy address and port under HTTP. Then use the same proxy server checkbox should be checked. Click OK and apply to save your proxy settings. Verify your connection through ipinfo.io and make sure the IP address received is from the desired location. Now your Internet Explorer, Edge, or Chrome browser will send all internet traffic through your configured proxies. This information provided by GeoSurf. Surf like a human, not like a server.